y'all, I'm back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing, and today we are working with, drumroll please, ISEE Hair. And I was clearly struggling to get this out the package. They had it packaged up really good, which I do love that. And yes, this package is from ISEE Hair on Amazon. Yes. And this is their afro kinky curly in 22 freaking inches, y'all. This is a wear and go glueless wig. They gave me some lashes and some HD wig caps as well along with this wig. And this is the unit, y'all. Okay, it's giving kinky curly. Y'all know I love me some kinky curly hair. And this is the wear and go closure. It comes pre-cut and pre-plucked, and then there's an adjustable strap in the back, which is always very handy for glueless wigs. So let's get into this install. Alright y'all, this is the unit straight out the box, and we're going to install it straight out the box because it does come pre-plucked and pre-cut. So let's put it on straight out the box. So I'm going to throw this on my head and let's see what it's looking like without doing anything to it. Alright y'all, so straight out the box, this is not bad. Like, that's not bad at all. It is gonna need a little bit of makeup, but like that, the plucking on this is really good, y'all. Look, not bad at all. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder that's a little bit darker than my normal shade and put it up here. Also because my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, and the lace is like white, like chalky-ish kind of color, so we want to use a shade that's a little darker to cancel out that like white look. What lace? Because what lace though? Nah, that looks too good. Okay, and I want to do a side part with this hair, so I'm gonna just turn this to the side. Oh my god, this is about to look so freaking good. Like, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for how good this is about to look for real? And I'm gonna part out where I want my side part to be. Ooh, this is about to be so pretty. I can already tell this is about to be so pretty. Like, I'm getting excited for real. I don't know if I want like a deep side part. Let's do a deep side part. So I'm gonna part it like right here. I like it right about there. And I'm gonna take my hot comb and just flatten this out just a little bit. Now y'all don't gotta be extra like me and do a side part, because the middle part literally already comes done for you. All you gotta do is wet the hair. You don't even gotta wet the hair. Like, the middle part comes done for you. All you gotta do is really put a little bit of makeup on the lace, which you don't have to do, but you could just leave the middle part the way it is. But I'm gonna do a side part, but this is really like, it takes no time. I'm just gonna hot comb this down and then put some makeup on the part, and that's it. Like, all I did was turn my wig to the side. I'm just showing y'all like the different styles that you can do with this closure wig, because one thing I don't ever do, I don't sleep on no closure wigs, okay? Because you could do a side part too with a closure, you could do a middle part, you could do a half a pack down. Like, you could do a lot of cute styles with a closure wig as well. So let me just show y'all how to do this side part real quick and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna pin this side for right now and then get my wax stick and put a little bit right here. I'm gonna start actually right here so we can get this real flat. And hot comb that just a little bit, not too much, because the top of it already kind of comes flat low-key, so I don't even have to hot comb it for real. But since I'm changing over the part, just to have it be a little bit more flat. Oh, this might be too cute. Like, what? And I might do some sideburns, honestly, y'all. I just love a wig that I could turn to the side, because like, I could do so much. And I'm gonna spray a little bit of this as well. Boom. Let me first part out my baby hairs. And then hot comb this back. Hot comb this direction. Okay, and now the same thing over here. And I've been wanting to work with this brand for a minute. Like, I just feel like this is a brand that's been around for a minute, and like all the girlies love ISEE Hair, and I've been wanting to work with this brand for so long. I just know this is gonna look so good. The lace already looks amazing, so we already doing good so far. Ooh, y'all, the arm workout I'm getting right now. Ooh, Lord. So now that we got that hot combed, and this looks so good already, let's take some water, a lot of water, and really comb through these curls, get them saturated and detangle them, define them very nicely. Curls, y'all, these curls look so freaking pretty. Like, seriously. Let me just finish brushing through this side, because this is so beautiful. So pretty, so freaking bomb. Look at this, y'all. Oh, so pretty. So bomb. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out my face. Okay, and now let's do this side. Just look at the difference, y'all. Look how pretty and defined these curls are. Bomb. You just want to waste my time. I think you've been a minute. You probably wanna wrap me in. Leave my room for hours. You better come through with flowers. I think you've been a minute. You probably wanna wrap me in. Leave my room for hours. Alright, y'all, so the hair has been detangled and thoroughly wet all throughout, and it's drying really fast, y'all. So I'm just gonna let the hair finish drying. In the meantime, I'm gonna do these edges. So I'm just gonna curl this, cut this a little bit first, and then curl it, and then take this and curl it. Yeah, I burnt my hand. Can y'all see that? Right there. Y'all can't even see that, but I definitely burnt my hand. Okay, a little bit of mousse. Okay, y'all, the wig is looking real cute, and I just know this is gonna dry even cuter. So what I'm gonna do right now, that's real cute. So I like how this is looking so far, looking real cute. And I am going to put some makeup on this part because clearly we need to define it where you can see the wig cap and then my real hair right here. So let's go in and clean that up and put it right here. I'm just gonna smooth it out a little bit. So bomb, y'all. Y'all, you just gotta trust the process because look how good this looks. Like wet. Like this, I look like a doll right now, and the hair not even all the way dry. So I'll be back once the hair fully dries so I can show y'all the full volume and the fullness of the hair. And yeah, y'all, this is what it's looking like so far. So BRB. I mean, you guys, what is it giving? Like, I think it looks really, really good. So the hair is pretty much dry. It's still a little damp in here, but for the most part, like, the hair is full and dry. And I think this looks so freaking pretty. Like, it looks very, very natural. This could very much pass as my real hair. And I didn't glue anything down. Y'all see the comb under there? No glue. Okay. Bomb. And y'all, that's the end of this video. This wig is literally 100% glueless. This turned out so freaking cute, and this just looks so natural to me. Like, this looks like my real hair. Like, come on now. You would never guess this was a glueless wig. So definitely click the link in my storefront to get this unit, y'all. This is from ISEE Hair on Amazon, and this unit right now is literally only like $140. Like, that's super, super affordable for the fullness and the quality of this unit. $140. Link on my storefront. This is in 22 inches, and this is the afro kinky curly unit. So definitely check out my storefront. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye. And y'all, the wig is 100% glueless. Okay, no glue on there. None at all. So bomb. Clean my room for hours. You better come through with flowers. Your love is bliss, but I know